The fruit of the angels, that's what we're going to use today. This is a beautiful papaya, and it's so nutritious, it's so good for you. I'm going to make a nice salad with this, with some greens and a couple little additions to the salad. But first I'm going to show you the papaya. Now a lot of people see these in the grocery store. They used to be very rare. I'm going to cut this in half. It's a very big one. And it's going to be full of seeds. So let's try to keep them contained. Look at that. Now this is a beautifully ripe papaya. You'll find some that are green on the outside. I found one that was mostly yellow, golden color. It's actually called red in some cases. So we're going to take the seeds and just scoop them out with a little ice cream scoop here. They're kind of slippery and they're not of any use to me. But the pulp here is loaded with vitamins and minerals. It has a kind of a smoky flavor, if you ask me. Some people call it musky, and it's got a buttery texture. It's very soft. It's not the kind of fruit that's sour or anything when you bite into it. It's sweet and buttery. Now for the salad, since this is a huge papaya, I'm only going to use 1/2. But I'm going to take the seeds out before I wrap this one up and put it away for another recipe. See how easily they come out too? If you wait till it's ripe. If it's not ripe, it's going to be a little more difficult and it won't taste as sweet and delicious. We're going to set this one aside. Alright. Now, one way I cut a mango, and I cut a papaya the same way, I like it to come out in cubes. So I take a paring knife and I just cut all the way down to the skin. Try not to cut through it, but this will give you some nice little cubes. And then you can cut in the other direction. It'll start to fall apart, and then you're going to turn it inside out and send the cubes out. Now papayas are good foods for diabetics because they are low on the glycemic index. And that means they turn to sugar slowly in your body. You can absorb them all day long instead of having spikes in your blood sugar. Now when you get down to where you see the skin, just cut them off. See how easy? And some people would like to scoop them out with a spoon after you cut down into the cubes. Whatever you like to do the best. Just turn them where it's, you know, safe to cut them. And we're going to make a nice big pile here. If some of your cubes are bigger than others, just cut them in half. The big ones, like this one. We want bite-sized pieces for a salad. We're going to mix it with greens. And also, if you get some pieces that you don't want to use in your salad because they're little tidbits, you can use them in your juicer. Because you can make some beautiful smoothies with these too. Alright, now I cut these up in pretty small pieces, and they're just the nice size to put on your fork if you're eating a salad. We're going to also take some baby spinach, and we're going to spread that out on the plate and add the papaya. Alright, we have a nice bed of baby spinach here, and we're going to simply spread all this nice papaya around. You know, some other benefits of the papaya: it helps to reduce inflammation in your body. It helps you to fight off things with your immune system. It does so many good things. It's beta carotene, good for your eyes. and helps reduce problems with your eyes. It has vitamin B. It's really a wonderful fruit. Alright, now we're going to add some orange slices to this. I'm using a sun-kissed orange here, and this is a navel orange. You can see it's a navel orange. I'm just going to cut some nice slices that you can chew on. It just dresses up your salad and makes it beautiful. We're going to spread these all around the edge as a little decoration. I think this is a nice salad for two. What do you think, Rick?
Yep.
This really picks up the flavor too with that little orange juice topping there. We're going to make a little dressing for this, and I'm going to use orange juice, honey, and a little bit of olive oil. Alright, a quick little dressing here. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to add a squirt of honey and a little bit of orange juice. Just make enough to fit on the size of the plate you made. Mix it up real quick. And then we're going to top it off with some sesame sticks. Alright, as soon as you get the honey mixed in, I would pour this all over your nice salad. It'll spread out on the bottom, but you want to get it over the papaya. We're going to top it off with some cheese shreds, and this is Parmesan Romano. Also add in there some sesame sticks for fun. Top it all off real quick. You have the most beautiful salad that's so nutritious, made from the food of the angels, papaya. Thanks for watching.